All right, welcome to week 2 of accounting, 1210 payroll. Um, Hopefully everybody had a good finish to week 1. Right now it's Sunday night and it looks like we're sort of somewhere in the middle. I see about half of the submissions I need to be seeing, but we did have good participation in the discussion forum up to this point, so feel good about that. Hopefully everybody's working towards getting their other submissions completed in the Connect system. Uh, Week 1 kind of sets the table for the rest of the 5 weeks. Week 2, we're going to be covering Chapter 3, which is the gross pay computation. It's just one chapter this week, but it's a pretty important chapter, so I want you to pay a good amount of attention to it. Give it a fair amount of time when you're doing your reading, and if you do those few things, the assignments in the Connect system and the homework and the quick learn and ultimately the quiz as well as the discussion will be that just that much easier for you. So just want to touch on a few things to kind of set the table for the week and get everybody off on the right foot. So let me switch gears here and show you guys the homework grid for the course. Here we are on week 2. Again, like I said, it's just chapter 3 this week. 2 assignments, 2 homework submissions, and a quiz. They're all in the Connect system. So everything you'll do this week is through the Connect system, I do believe. So um, pay attention to that. And the assignments are going to get tougher as we go, and they're pretty lengthy. So you'll have to give them a fair amount of time. The school's suggesting 20 hours for everything this week. That includes the reading. The discussion forum, the assignments, the homework, and the quiz. That's probably about right. Everything's due on August 16th, so um, midnight Alaska Standard Time on August 16th, which is next Sunday. As this is being recorded on the 9th, Sunday the 9th. So that kind of sort of sets the table for you for the week. Here I am in the course page for the week. Notice there's 3 videos we've embedded in here for kind of a walkthrough for the various exercises that you're going to encounter in the reading. So give those some good amount of attention because they're going to be very helpful for you in the assignments that you'll be doing and the quiz as well. The one thing about the assignments I like to point out is they are basically what I'm trying to say is they give you multiple attempts at the assignment and they gives you feedback after the first one. So if you don't do well first go around on any of the assignments, go back and do it again. Be mindful of the feedback that the Connect system's giving you because well, the question will be different the next time around. The concept and the calculations will be, if not exactly the same, very, very similar, if not. So be very mindful of that as you're doing the weekly work. Um, the only thing, the quiz is a one-time deal, so feel free to use the text and your notes and any other um, information that we provide to you while you're doing the quiz because it is open book. I feel like the quiz should be open book. Life's open book, so the quiz should be open book. So you take advantage of that while you're doing the quiz. Quizzes do count for a lot of the grade in the class, so it pays to take your time with that. Here I am on the discussion question for week 2. This is a good question, so give this some thought before you do your initial post, but I think it's a good question. It sort of hits on the how shall I say it, the prestige almost of the profession of payroll accountant. So give that some thought, and while you're doing the reading and doing the questions and this question as well, think about, what kind of future somebody may have in this profession, and if even if this may be something that would interest you down the road as a profession for yourself. So those are really the things I wanted to touch on for at least the beginning of this week. If anybody's got questions, feel free to reach out to me. I haven't had much correspondence with you guys in this class as of yet, so but I expect that to change as the coursework becomes a little bit more complicated. So that's what I'm here for. Feel free to reach out to me if you got any questions or if any issues come up while you're doing the work. If there's any issues with the Connect system or if there's just something that you don't quite understand, let me know. We'll work it out together and um, come to some kind of agreement on whatever maybe the issue is. But look forward to another good week. Hopefully we have another good discussion and look forward to seeing you in class.